gentlemen, round one of the 2018 WNYOA Hare Scramble Series is here. Dream Riders, let's get ready to go racing. AA class, here we go. Out front with Ben Bowens there in second. Number 18, Jared Jordan gets around me. I didn't expect to get that good of a start. I'm up here and I'm like, oh boy, all right, calm. Oh baby, we're racing. There goes Stuart Fish. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've done this. I got to get my mind into it. There goes Matt Kiefer, last year's WNYOA champion, as we rip up this rock hill. I just realized I gotta get myself a jersey with my name and number on the back. What have I been doing all these years? I'm running fairly strong here, trying to keep Matt in sight. They get a little bit away. I'm trying to focus on breathing and remembering all the things I should be doing. That usually goes out the window right here on the first lap, and that screws you. Up. These are fun little corners winding here. I like this. That fast stuff, not my cup of tea. But I'm feeling really stable on the bike. I made some adjustments, and some of you guys may know. Well, no, maybe you don't know. I'm running a little bit different on the front end, the forks. We'll get more into that. But it's amazing. It's like putting butter on a piece of toast. It's amazing. Dallas, Mika, shoot, how the heck I think I've been through this before. He gets around me. I start to have a little bit of an issue. My pants fall down. No, that's made up. But my arms are starting to kind of tighten up. My arms are killing me. Actually, they're at the point of falling off. They hurt really bad. And It's not good. It's unbelievable arm pump at this point. Whoa, there goes Grant Marriott on the rev limiter, ensuring a job for his mechanic doing top ends.
Arms are killing.
My arms are killing. They're dying. Now we're going up this hill. I go this way. It's, I'm thinking, oh, maybe this is the secret Narnia route. It's not the case. It's a little more windy than the other route. Oh, God. And I get past. Looks like that is Marcus in front of us, number 22. Screw up that corner. TJ gets around me. Now, at this point, I was starting to make mistakes, and the arm pump was just...
Oh, my arm.
I'm telling you, my fingers weren't working.
Relax.
The challenge with arm pump here is I gotta keep going. I can't just stop. I can't slow down any. So I am trying to push through it, and that doesn't help. Uh-oh! It's coming up on me here. Oh, it's Brandon Hayes. We've had a lot of good battles. Unfortunately, I don't think I can hold up with my arms right now. So Brandon is on a tear. He's gone. And I start slowing down. My arms are to the point of being dangerous out there. Come through scoring. And I'm in 11th place. I gotta just keep going. I gotta push through this arm pump even though it hurts. The worst part is I'd get going fast and I'd be like, I can't hold on. Yikes, that was sloppy. I'm getting a little sloppy out there. Now the issues are really starting to pile up. I got guys behind me. So they get around.
What is going on with my rear brake?
I'm having issues with my brake. I'm having issues.
Carter, what is going on with my brake? It's not working very well.
So what the heck is going on with my brake? I was upset and kind of confused because it was hard to push on. It was like mechanically difficult to push down. And I'd have to like stomp on it to get it to even do much. So as I'm coming into these corners, I'm used to the brake working. And now I'm coming into the corners and I'm like, oh! And that's not helping the arm pump because I'm coming into the corner and all of a sudden I'm not stopping and I'm gripping the handlebars even harder. Whoa! Whoa! Sorry about that. Whoops. This whole brake thing is messing with me and now I'm just, now there's somebody behind me revving it out. I'm all messed up. This is not a good second lap. Getting passed by a lot of people.
Holy.
Whoa! Jeez Louise, that one puckered up my butthole. I'm getting past now. This is the event double A, guys. Oh man, I am so screwed up right now. My mind is wadded up and twisted in bunches. Honey bunches of oats. I can't figure this out.
Man, my hands hurt. Oh.
My hands hurt. The brakes are out. All right. I tell myself, relax. Breathe. Focus.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Forget about the brakes not working right. Just ride the bike. You'll adjust. Make the best of it. I keep going. I start making some passes around we got some traffic. I'm moving around people, and I start moving. I'm moving pretty good.
Brakes are back, baby!
Yeah! Brakes are back, so I don't know what happened. I have a feeling something may have been interfering, because the way it was feeling, it wasn't like they weren't bled out or there was an air bubble, because you would actually have more play in the pedal. This was like locked up. Woo-hoo! So I don't know. That was kind of odd.
Oh my gosh, you all right, man? Sorry about that.
Oh man, now I'm taking people out. What a toll I am, and then I run away.
Oh. Sorry, man. Did not mean to do that. I hit something.
It was a hit and run, but seriously, man, I am sorry. I did not mean to do that. It was an accident. Oh, baby, I get rolling. I got a groove going, even though the beginning of that lap was kind of rough. I start turning it around. I fell back, though, a few positions. I am in 14th place, and I got some time to make up. I elect not to go up the hill. There was somebody stuck up there. I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the bypass because I can't afford to be stuck on a hill. The arm pump begins to fade, and I start really getting it dialed in. I'm feeling real good. In front of me here is the AA vet class, the 35 plus class, Joe Potter, number 176, and I'm behind them here as we go through a bunch of traffic, and it starts getting wild. It gets pretty intense. Woo-woo-woo! Doing my pass call, let people know I'm coming up on them, to know I'm there. Crazy out here, people everywhere trying to find lines. I'm losing time. Oh my gosh, I get past. That's another AA 35 plus Ken Chamberlain there. I'm a little frustrated, to be honest. At this point, I'm starting to get a little bit upset. My arms are back. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to rip. And I'm caught up in this poo hole in here.
Woo-woo-woo-woo! This is ridiculous.
Why I want a plow attachment. I can just blast through. Okay, that's not a good idea.
Woo, 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 woo.
So I fall a little bit behind trying to get around traffic, and then it's just, if there's open track, it's all out, balls out, you go as fast as possible.
Oh, I'm feeling better now.
Oh, yes, we're having fun again. I'm loving it. Now, look at this. I am in the middle of this AA 35 plus battle. These guys are going back and forth, and I'm caught right in the middle of it. I don't want anything to do with it. We're not racing, really. It's a different class. So I don't know. I'm in a tough spot. Coming into the end of this lap, finishing up the second lap here. And, man, I'm going to be dang good at this passing call by the end of this race. I'm practicing it. Starting lap 3, I am in 14th still. I got to get going. I got to try to get around some of these guys. a decent lap time because you'd run into a bottleneck like this. I'm watching this back on me. I'm seeing lines that I should have been taking. I'm like, go right there, go! Woo-woo! But no. And then I should have gone left there, and shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it's a lot easier sitting behind a computer and watching this than actually out there trying to do it. Oh! I think I got hit. Dropped the bike, but I get it up in a second, and we're off again. I'm fired up. We gotta go. We gotta go. I knew that this line on the outside was the better line. That inside was real nasty. And so in that bottleneck scenario like that, you want to have alternate lines ready. As I'm going here, I'm scoping out. You know, each lap, I'm scoping out different lines. Now, we're behind this guy with a cape. Okay, those are roll-offs. They're slapping me in the face. One thing you got to consider is where you hit the heaviest traffic. If you're in a very tight section and you're hitting all the traffic, you're going to be in trouble. You're going to be losing a lot more time than if you were to hit that traffic in the fields. And so the leaders might have a better advantage, or it might be worse off. I'm sure everybody encountered pretty heavy traffic out here. Looks like I caught up to Ken again out here in the Vet AA class. So at this point, we're getting towards the end of the race. I gotta make some passes. I feel like I can be going faster. I gotta charge harder. Oh, this is my chance. Go! What the heck, man? Final lap. White flag is out. I'm in 13th. I really felt good on the last lap. Arm pump was gone. Everything was working. I felt comfortable. I felt stable. Everything was really clicking on the last lap. I actually shaved off 30 seconds on the last one here. Camera runs out of battery. But I end up finishing 12th out of 19 riders in the AA class. And 18th overall out of 392 entries. I really can't complain about that for the first race of the season. Though I am kind of disappointed over the arm pump and brake issues I had. I really felt like I had more. I felt like I could have been going more, but that's what it is. That's racing, and I can't complain. Thank you, guys. See you at the next one. Get out there and go ride.